Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 XLT. This 2016 F-150 was recently traded in here, painted in this nice red. You do have some running boards along the side here. Remote entry keypad on the door. You do have your tow mirror, blind spot mirrors on the sides here, power window controls, leather armrest on the door sill. Cloth manual bench seat up front. You've also got lighting controls on the left here. Getting on in, 75,000 on the odometer for a 2016. Turn it over, you got the nice V8 in here. Smaller menu screen in this one. You got fuel economy and driver's assist. This one does have tire pressure, engine hours, trailer sway. You've also got vehicle settings in here. On the steering wheel, you've got cruise control on the left and menu controls. On the right is hands-free and media controls. Infotainment system here, you've got CD, you've got different sound settings, Sirius XM is in here as well, clock settings, media, and then your main menu here. This is where you can go through all of your settings here. Down below that, you've got your climate controls, AC, standard, you've got CD player over here, and then 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. Below that, you do have a 12-volt outlet, which is being used for an aftermarket backup camera right now, which is actually located in the mirror up here. And then you also have your center console bench seat, acts as a center console, or if you have an extra passenger, the seat folds up like so. And then coming back to the back of the F-150 here, you do have your 4x4 badge, your chrome rear bumper, chrome F-150 on the tailgate here. Your rear view camera, this is aftermarket, works great honestly. And then taking a look into the truck bed, drop-in bed liner here. Lots of space, durability. You can put anything in the back of these F-150s. They can haul a lot. Coming into the back of the F-150, lots of space back here, very roomy. Back seat does fold up if you want to increase storage more. You also have some spare jack controls back there from behind the seat. Over here you do have a cubby if you want to put anything in the back seat here, and then drop down cup holders for your center console, and a 12-volt outlet to plug any devices in the back. Very roomy. You do have dome light and then tow or hanger hooks up on each side of the roof. And then we come up to the front now. You do have your chromed out front bumper and grille, halogen headlights with fog lights as well, and your tow hooks are installed up front. All around a great pre-owned F-150, so make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this F-150. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.